if you could burn fat, preserve muscle, improve your metabolism without suppressing your appetite and without injections? A Swedish biotech company says they're getting close. Meet ATR 258, a brand new exercise mimicking pill that could become a powerful alternative or companion to drugs like Ozempic. Today, we're breaking down how it works, why scientists are excited, and what the research actually shows. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, right now, the weight loss market is dominated by GLP-1 drugs: Ozempic, Wegovy, Mounjaro, and Zepbound. Sound familiar? They are effective, but they work mainly by suppressing your appetite, and with that comes common downsides: nausea and GI issues, loss of appetite, and loss of lean muscle mass, which is a big problem for long-term health. So researchers have been hunting for a way to improve metabolism without starving the body or sacrificing muscle. That's where Atrogi, or Atrogi as some pronounce it, a clinical stage Swedish biotech company, comes in. Atrogi takes an entirely different approach to treating obesity and type 2 diabetes. Instead of targeting the brain gut hunger axis, they target skeletal muscle, one of the most important organs for glucose control, fat burning, and metabolic health. Their mission: to create oral, first in class therapies that boost muscle metabolism, burn fat, preserve or increase lean muscle, improve glucose control, and do it without the cardiovascular risks seen in older drugs. Their lead candidate is ATR 258, with another compound, ATR 127, in early preclinical development. ATR 258 is an oral drug designed to mimic the metabolic benefits of exercise, but without physical activity. It works by selectively activating beta 2 adrenergic receptors, or B2AR, in muscle. Now, older B2AR agonists could cause dangerous heart stimulation, but Atrogi's molecule was engineered to avoid those cardiovascular side effects. In early studies, ATR 258 has shown the ability to burn fat, improve glucose uptake into muscle, increase or preserve muscle mass, improve overall metabolic function, and do it independently of insulin, which matters because insulin sensitivity declines in diabetes. And importantly, it doesn't rely on appetite suppression. A new study published in Cell, involving researchers from Karolinska Institutet, Stockholm University, and several global collaborators, tested this approach in both animals and humans. Here's what they found. In animal studies, there was a strong increase in fat burning. There was better control of blood sugar. There was preserved muscle mass, even during weight loss. And there were no harmful heart effects. In the human trials, the study included 48 healthy adults, 25 people with type 2 diabetes. The results: the drug was well tolerated, there were no serious side effects, improved markers of metabolic activity, and they avoided the GI problems and muscle loss seen with GLP-1 drugs. Experts say the mechanism could solve one of the biggest problems with today's treatments: losing both fat and muscle. Muscle isn't just about strength. It's one of the most metabolically active tissues in the body. Losing muscle slows metabolism, it worsens insulin resistance, and it lowers life expectancy. As Stockholm University professor Tor Bengtsson put it, muscle mass is directly correlated with life expectancy. ATR 258 aims to protect that muscle while improving metabolic health. If larger trials confirm these results, ATR 258 could benefit people with obesity, type 2 diabetes, and age-related muscle loss, also known as sarcopenia. It might even be combined with GLP-1 drugs to prevent the muscle loss they often cause. And because it's oral, patients wouldn't need injections. So, what's next with this? Well, ATR 258 has completed phase 1 human trials. Atrogi is now preparing for a larger phase 2 trial involving people with obesity and type 2 diabetes. Researchers emphasize that we still need larger populations, longer term data, and structural studies of how exactly the drug works, but the early results are promising. So, is this the long awaited exercise in a pill? Not yet. But for the first time, we're seeing a medication that can burn fat, preserve muscle, improve blood sugar, and avoid many downsides of current treatments. If successful, ATR 258 could reshape how we treat metabolic disease. What do you think? Game changer or overhyped? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.